Welcome to Oral Drill Practice with Heather. In this video, we'll practice workplace requests. First, let's briefly talk about how to use these drills. Learn the rules first. These oral drills are meant to reinforce grammatical structures, so if you don't understand the grammar, you may need to review the rules first. When you're ready to begin, it's time to listen and repeat after me. After that, try repeating again, but a little faster. Finally, pause the video and repeat each part on your own. Let's begin with informal requests. So something you might say to a coworker. This expression, "Is it all right if I," is followed by the present simple. So listen and repeat. Is it all right if I leave early? Is it all right if I borrow your pen? Is it all right if I take a break? Is it all right if I sit here? Is it all right if I go home now? Your turn. Pause the video here and practice as many times as you need. This next informal request, how about, is followed by the gerund, so the ing form of the verb. Listen and repeat. How about helping me out? How about taking my shift? How about meeting tomorrow? How about finishing early? How about going home? Your turn. Pause and practice. This next request is neutral. It could be used with anyone in the workplace. Do you think I could? This is followed by the base form of the verb. Listen and repeat. Do you think I could leave early? Do you think I could change my shift? Do you think I could get a new uniform? Do you think I could use your office? Do you think I could take a break? Your turn. Pause and practice. The next request is more formal. This is would it be possible? This is always followed by the infinitive. So listen and repeat. Would it be possible to take some time off? Would it be possible to get a new desk? Would it be possible to change my hours? Would it be possible to reschedule the meeting? Would it be possible to discuss my schedule? Your turn. Pause and practice. The next formal request, would you please consider, is followed by the gerund, so the ing form of the verb. Listen and repeat. Would you please consider giving me a promotion? Would you please consider increasing my salary? Would you please consider moving my office? Would you please consider rescheduling the meeting? Would you please consider hiring more people? Pause and practice. The next formal request, would you mind, is sometimes followed by if. In the first example, we say, would you mind if I, we need a subject, went, so the verb is in the past tense, home early. Listen and repeat. Would you mind if I went home early? Would you mind if I took a day off? Would you mind if we postponed the deadline? Would you mind if Tim took my shift? Would you mind if Kathy helped me? Your turn. Pause and practice. This last formal request, would you mind, is a little bit different. This one is followed by the gerund form of the verb. Listen and repeat. Would you mind discussing my schedule? Would you mind giving me a promotion? Would you mind increasing my salary? Would you mind rescheduling the meeting? Would you mind postponing the meeting? Your turn. Pause and practice.